This is my buddy's 1971 Suzuki TS50. So it's a little 50cc, dirt bike or enduro. So, it's shift and everything, so you could call it a shifty 50. This thing is pretty rough. You can see pretty much all of the chrome is pretty well pitted on it. The tank and everything is pretty rusty, but still the exhaust pipe's rusty, so see the chrome on the rear wheels rusty. Lots of oxidation on the rear brake hubs. Just lots and lots of rust. So the seat's torn. So, cosmetically it's a ugly bike, but mechanically it runs. So you can get it started up and everything. And looks mostly complete. Yeah, I mean, kickstart broke there. But just looking at it, its throttle cable broke as well. Still got the chain guard, still has the air cleaner and everything. Missing the left side cover, I guess. But I mean, for a bike of this age, see the foot peg's really worn. And I don't think that was the original headlight was mounted like that. I thought there'd probably be a plastic headlight bucket around it, but not 100% sure. The controls are intact. Like I say, the throttle cable is broken now, so I think it's just been bump starting it. But so it's a cool little shifty 50. All right, thanks a lot for watching.